guys, welcome back to our channel. So here is a paragraph, speech or essay on India, the land of unity in diversity. So let's get started. India, the dreamland of our freedom fighters, the golden bird that can never lose its glory and shine. It is an ocean made up of fusion of ethics and cultures of various communities that can never dry. India is a synonym for diversity. It is blessed with several communities, beliefs and practices who live in harmony while preserving their own distinct culture and tradition. India is like a thali, a collection of appetizing and toothsome dishes. Each tastes different and does not necessarily mix with the next, but they belong together on the same plate and they complement each other in making the meal satisfying and enjoyable. India is blessed with scenic and cultural beauty. The gesture of Namaste is our identity. Our motherland is quite rich in dance forms, from elegant Kathakali, which is done wearing large, colourful and attractive masks, to colourful Ghumar, Garba, Lavani and energetic Garba. All are equally magical. Indian classical music is very melodious, relaxing and pleasant to the ears. Joyful Lok-Geet are sung here on every occasion. Aarti and Namaz can be heard here at the same time. India is home to many splendid artworks. Madhubani, Gond, Varli, Pad and Patachitra are some of them. There is diversity in every corner of India. Every region has its own traditional clothing and fashion culture that reflects its lifestyle. The color of people may be different, but their heart is tricolor. In the land of festivals, India, people celebrate every festival with great joy and enthusiasm from Diwali to Eid. India is not only rich in cultural beauty, but it also has many splendid artwork, magnificent forts, sumptuous temples and many such admirable architectures. Over 100 of languages are spoken here, but Hindi unites us. India is very wealthy in taste, sweet, spicy. Every food item is unique here, from idli sambar to chole bhature, from jalebi to rashgola. Incredible India can't be described in just few lines. The true essence of Indian beauty and traditions is unity and diversity that makes us different from the rest of the world. The Statue of Unity reflects our unity, strength and peace. The man to whom this huge edifice is dedicated to, the Iron Man of India, is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who played a crucial role in our freedom struggle. This is our ultimate responsibility to respect and preserve this diversity. We are Indians first, everything else comes second. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Happy Republic Day to you all, recalling and rejoicing in the victory of our freedom fighters. Best wishes to all. Thank you so much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like to this video. Thank you so much.